friends, today I'm showing you unboxing or showing work boots from Amazon or other kind of work which they lately require still, or other kind of. So this model is called Vista Energy from King Utility, and they have carbon fiber toe, oil and slip resistant, electrical hazard. Then we have non-metallic upper, connect fit. I've got them in woman 11 and wide. So let's open and see how they look. King provide boxes looking like this. Inside is tissue paper, printed sole. This is the design of the sole, and here are the shoes. Let's take them out. Show you. So here is the shoe. King Utility. It has design looking like this, and this comes in nice color, like it's 2 tones of pink. Inside it has yellow King Utility insole. Here it has mesh material, but I have 2 already models and I was wearing one of them, not this one but different one, and they kind of are a little hot. After 4 hours your feet feel like sweating, so I would say they are not as breathable as I thought they would be. Although here they have big holes, but inside this kind of mesh is not too much breathable, so I don't recommend them for summer. For spring, fall and winter, yes, but not for summer. Or even if you feel hotter, maybe get different shoes, because this mesh is not that breathable. Like I have different sneakers from I6 and they're breathable, and this one's not. Not much, a little bit, but not much. Here we have this kind of looking laces, and here is also mesh upper, and the design is a little weird. I returning this one because they turn out to be too wide for me, and I prefer just normal length. I mean, length is fine, but they are too wide here. They look awkward on my feet, so that's why I returning them, because they too big. I mean too wide, and also this here metallic, too not digging, but it's when you change position you feel it. And also I don't like in them, because I was already in different ones, and they actually first day they were very comfortable, but after 4 hours of second day I started to have issues with them, like pain in legs, even muscles pain all the way on the back muscles of leg. And they also a little weirdly designed, because they are here straight. Here we have comfortable that heel part, but here they not that comfortable in tall. They are narrow so, and inside is very hard on that here, and also it elevate to put your foot. So my foot is not in natural position. That's why maybe it's causing pain after longer hours of standing. That's why I'm returning them. And well, because these ones I actually got for my own money, and other ones I got cheaper because of coupon code from Amazon. But these ones I've got for real bags, so maybe in future I repurchase them if I find other ones comfortable, because I will be still testing them out. The other shoes, which are the same but different color. I can show you now how they look too. So the other ones have them here. So here they are, the same model, but they are different color combination, and they are actually size 11 but normal width, because they already were, the white ones were sold out. So these ones I was wearing in warehouse for one day, which is 8.5 hours standing, or 9, and 4 hours another day. See, the soles are still fine because outside I wasn't much in them, if any. They are really cute, but like I told you, a little bit not breathable. And these ones, see, they look more narrow, but I like how they look because they are not super wide. I mean, they are a little bit wide for this shoe, but they are not super wide like other ones. So these ones look more normal on me, and I got size 11. Normally in shoes I wear actually size 9. Actually I wear size 10, but sometimes 9.5. But rather in sneakers I wear size 10. And this one's runs small, so I would recommend getting size bigger or half size bigger. Because I don't think they sell 10.5 in them, that's why I've got size 11. And in the steel toe or carbon toe or fiber toe, you need some space to not touch that end of shoe, because you feel one very hard area. So that's why I recommend always getting half size bigger. So these ones feel like they are maybe 10.5. That's why they, and I don't feel that end of shoe in them. And they are really nice, but I don't know yet if I for sure wear them like regularly. Maybe they will be like backup for the days when I have less tired feet, and maybe wear them 4 hours. If I find they too uncomfortable, I change to different ones, different models. Because since 17th of March, Amazon facility, at least our one, says that we have to wear that shoes with that hard toe, protective hard toe. So that's why now everyone has to wear that shoe. that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today is off day. I'm resting from work, printing return labels. This one I'm returning, and I'm returning also the shoes that came yesterday. Safety shoes from Reebok, but I don't gonna even record them because they are not comfortable at all, and maybe I will just write a review, but not gonna let them do unboxing, because maybe I do unboxing of different shoes that I find more interesting. Okay, bye.
I do so